If I broke your heart, would you take me back? If I broke my arm, would you sign my cast? When I was young, I would love too fast. Hope I don't repeat my past. 'Cause I'm not scared of loving you, I'm just scared of losing you. I'm not scared of anyone or dying young, or if you're gonna find somebody new. 'Cause how could they love you as much as I do, as much as I do?